everyone, welcome back to Juragan English Channel.
Hello. I am Alex, and today we are going on the most culturally rich virtual tour ever.
Today we are exploring one of the most special cities in all of Indonesia, Yogyakarta.
Or as locals lovingly call it, Jogja, the soul of Java and the heart of Javanese culture.
Before we start, please hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell right now.
Okay, Mia, have you ever been to Yogyakarta before?
Yes. I have been 3 times, and every visit reveals something new and wonderful to discover.
I visited 2 years ago, and it was honestly one of the most profound experiences of my entire life.
In English, we can say, Yogyakarta is a city where ancient traditions and modern life coexist beautifully.
Coexist means to exist together at the same time in the same place without any conflict at all.
Okay, let us begin our virtual tour. Let us start with the magnificent Borobudur Temple.
Yes, Borobudur is not just famous in Indonesia, it is one of the greatest wonders of the entire world.
In English, we can say, Borobudur is the largest Buddhist temple ever built anywhere on Earth.
It was built in the 9th century, meaning it is over 1,000 years old and still standing.
The temple has 9 stacked platforms decorated with over 500 Buddha statues all around it.
And it has almost 3 kilometers of intricate stone carvings telling ancient Buddhist stories.
Intricate means extremely detailed and carefully made with incredible skill and artistic precision.
In English, we can say, Borobudur's stone carvings are a true masterpiece of ancient craftsmanship.
The most magical time to visit Borobudur is just before sunrise in the early morning hours.
In English, we say, watching the sun rise over Borobudur through the morning mist is absolutely magical.
Morning mist means a light, thin fog that hangs softly in the air during the early morning hours.
Borobudur is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site, recognized for its outstanding universal value.
Outstanding universal value means it is so exceptional and important that it belongs to all of humanity.
Now let us talk about another incredible temple nearby, the dramatic Prambanan Temple.
In English, we can say, Prambanan is a stunning 9th century Hindu temple dedicated to the Trimurti.
The Trimurti refers to the 3 principal Hindu deities, Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiva.
While Borobudur is wide and layered, Prambanan shoots dramatically tall, up into the sky.
The tallest central tower of Prambanan rises to an incredible height of 47 meters.
In English, we can say, Prambanan's towering spires create one of the most dramatic skylines in Southeast Asia.
And every evening at Prambanan, there is a spectacular outdoor Ramayana ballet performance.
In English, we can say, the Ramayana Ballet is a grand outdoor theatrical performance under the stars.
Hundreds of dancers and musicians perform on a huge stage with Prambanan lit up beautifully behind them.
In English, you can say, watching the Ramayana Ballet against the backdrop of Prambanan is unforgettable.
Now let us talk about the magnificent Kraton, the Sultan's Palace of Yogyakarta.
In English, we can say, the Kraton is the Grand Royal Palace and official residence of the Sultan of Yogyakarta.
What makes Yogyakarta's Kraton so special is that the Sultan still actually lives and rules from there today.
In English, we say, Yogyakarta is the only province in Indonesia that still maintains an active monarchy.
Monarchy means a system of government where a sultan or king rules as the respected head of the region.
Inside the Kraton, you can explore beautiful Javanese architecture, royal artifacts, and ancient heirlooms.
In English, you can say, visiting the Kraton offers a rare and intimate glimpse into Javanese royal heritage.
And every Sunday morning, you can watch a free traditional gamelan music performance inside the Kraton.
Gamelan is the traditional Javanese musical ensemble using bronze percussion instruments. So beautiful.
Now let us talk about one of the most dramatic natural wonders nearby, Mount Merapi.
In English, we can say, Mount Merapi is one of the most active and dangerous volcanoes in the world.
The name Merapi actually means mountain of fire in Javanese. Very dramatic and very fitting.
Many adventurous tourists climb Mount Merapi before sunrise to watch the spectacular volcanic view.
You can also try the famous Merapi Lava Tour, an exciting jeep adventure through the volcanic landscape.
In English, we can say, the Merapi Lava Tour takes you through the dramatic aftermath of past eruptions.
Aftermath means the landscape and situation that remains after a powerful and destructive event.
It is a humbling experience that reminds you of the incredible raw power of nature up close.
Humbling means causing you to feel small and modest in comparison to something much greater than yourself.
Now let us explore the famous Malioboro Street, the most iconic street in all of Yogyakarta.
In English, we can say, Malioboro is a vibrant and bustling boulevard lined with shops and street vendors.
Vibrant means full of energy, colour, life, and excitement. The perfect word for Malioboro Street.
Along Malioboro, you can find traditional Javanese batik fabric, handmade silver jewellery, and so much more.
Batik is a traditional Indonesian fabric art using wax and dye to create beautiful, intricate patterns.
In English, you can say, Malioboro is the perfect place to shop for authentic Javanese handicrafts and souvenirs.
And you simply must try the famous gudeg while walking along Malioboro. It is absolutely incredible.
In English, we can say, gudeg is a traditional Yogyakarta dish made from young jackfruit slow-cooked in coconut milk.
Gudeg has a unique sweet and savoury flavour that is completely unlike anything you have tasted before.
In English, you can say, gudeg is a must-try dish that perfectly captures the culinary soul of Yogyakarta.
Now let us quickly learn some very useful English travel phrases for visiting Yogyakarta.
Great idea! First phrase, you can say, Yogyakarta is an absolute must-visit destination for every traveller.
Or try, the temples of Yogyakarta are truly among the most breathtaking sights I have ever seen.
You can also say, I highly recommend visiting Borobudur at sunrise. It is completely unforgettable.
Or, the local food in Yogyakarta is so unique and delicious. You have to try gudeg while you are here.
And if someone asks what Yogyakarta is known for, you can say, Yogyakarta is famous for its ancient temples, royal culture, and incredible traditional arts.
These phrases will make you sound so natural and confident when talking about Yogyakarta in English.
Now let us share some quick and practical travel tips for visiting Yogyakarta.
Tip 1. Hire a local guide at Borobudur and Prambanan for the richest and most meaningful experience.
Tip 2. Rent a bicycle or motorbike to explore the beautiful countryside at your own relaxed pace.
Tip 3. Visit Borobudur on weekdays to avoid the large and crowded weekend visitor rush.
Tip 4. Always dress modestly and respectfully when visiting any temples or royal sacred sites.
Tip 5. Explore local warangs for the most authentic and delicious traditional Yogyakarta food experiences.
Warangs are small family-owned Indonesian restaurants serving wonderful home-style traditional cooking.
And tip 6. Do not miss the Ramayana Ballet at Prambanan. It is a truly once-in-a-lifetime show.
Okay, everyone, let us do a quick and exciting review of all the amazing highlights from today.
We explored the legendary Borobudur Temple, the largest Buddhist monument ever built on Earth.
We marvelled at the dramatic Prambanan Temple and its spectacular nightly Ramayana Ballet.
We visited the magnificent Kraton Royal Palace, where the Sultan of Yogyakarta still lives today.
We experienced the raw power of the legendary active volcano, Mount Merapi, and its lava tour.
We walked the vibrant Malioboro street and discovered the delicious and iconic dish called gudeg.
And we learned 6 practical travel tips for getting the absolute most out of your Yogyakarta visit.
Yogyakarta truly is one of the most culturally rich and historically magnificent cities on Earth.
Now it is your turn to practice your English right now in the comments section below.